Welcome to Dexlab, your one-stop shop for all upcoming token launches on the Solana network. In this tutorial, we're going to give a very short overview of the basic features on Dexlab, starting by connecting our wallet. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be using the Phantom wallet, who just released their beta version. But you can use any Solana compatible wallet from the list provided. Once connected, head over to the trade page located up top to open up Dexlab's Decentralized Exchange, powered by Serum's order book. Find your USDC or USDT trading pairs on the right, and the outstanding buy or sell orders on the left. In addition, you can select one of the new markets and enter the world of customized private markets created by individuals or projects who want to list permissionlessly on Dexlab. Just remember to always do your own research before buying tokens, as Dexlab is not responsible for any sudden price changes that happens within their private listed marketplace. That's for today, guys, so head over to dexlab.space and try out one of the first decentralized exchanges built natively on Solana.